Good morning, Standard 5. In our last video, we were discussing about the noun chapter, and in this video, we are going to solve their exercise. Okay, students, so take out your books. All of you take out your books and take out the page number 2. Okay, take out the page number 2. So here is the question: underline the common noun and circle the proper nouns. So what we have to do, students, we have to underline the common nouns. The sentence that we are seeing here, in this sentence there is a common noun and some proper nouns are given there. So we have to identify the common nouns as well as the proper nouns. कॉमन नाउंस के ऊपर अंडरलाइन करना है और प्रॉपर नाउंस के ऊपर घेरा लगाना है. ठीक है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज Aditya is a good student. So in this sentence, Aditya is proper noun. Circle it, students. And student, it is a common noun. So underline it, students. Okay, understood? He does his work every day. He does his work every day. So day is what? Common noun. English is his favorite subject. English is proper noun and subject is common noun. So English, circle, and subject underline it. B number question: Vidya and Prem study in St. Xavier High School. So in this sentence, student, Vidya, Prem and St. Xavier's are proper noun. Their Christmas holiday begin on the 23rd of December. So Christmas and 23rd of December is also proper noun. So in this question we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 proper nouns: Vidya, Prema, St. Xavier, Christmas and 23rd December. We have only one common noun and that is holiday, students. Okay, got it? C number: that dove belongs to Mrs. and Mr. Shah. So dove is common noun and Mr. and Mrs. Shah is proper noun. Pet is also a common noun. Becky is proper noun. D number: the Jog Falls is in Karnataka. The Jog Falls and Karnataka both are proper noun. It is one of the highest waterfalls in India. India is also a proper noun and waterfall is a common noun. E number question: Amrita read The Adventures of Tom Sawyer last Saturday. Amrita, The Adventure of Tom Sawyer and Saturday are proper noun. Let's move on. Question number 2. Choose the correct collective nouns from the box and complete each phrases. What we have to do, student, in this particular question, we have to choose the most appropriate words for the given spaces. Like a dash of grass, right here tuft, T-U-F-T, tuft, the tuft of grass. So basically the collection of grass, it is the question of collective noun. Okay, as you can see in the question itself, it is asking write the collective noun. Okay. B number: a bouquet of flowers, a board of directors, a band of musicians, a bunch of bananas, a school of fish, a fleet of cars, F-L-E-E-T, students. Answer. Sorry, spelling is F-L-E-E-T, fleet. A choir of singer. What we have to pronounce? The word choir, C-H-O-I-R, choir. जब सिंगर पूरे ग्रुप में एक साथ गाने गाते हैं उसको choir बोलते हैं. A cluster of stars, a peal of bells, a gang of thieves, a bundle of sticks, a troop of monkeys. So mind the spelling. Troop, T-R-O-O-P, troop. And in the next question, troop of dancers, T-R-O-U-P-E, troop of dancers. A pack of wolves, a suite of room, SUITE, a suite of rooms. A collection of paintings. A horde of rats. HORDE. A horde of rats. Now let's discuss question number 3. Underline the correct collective nouns in each sentences. So I am sure student you have done it. So here is the answer. The team of players entered the field. Rahul lost his bunch of keys. We passed by a grove of trees on our way to the village. The Himalayas is a range of mountains. The mirror was on the chest of drawers. CHEST, chest of drawers. A crowd of people gathered to listen the preacher. She climbed the flight and shoot of stairs. So flight of stairs. The regiment of soldiers was marching towards the border. A pack of puppies has arrived at the pet shop. My uncle is the leader of a union of factory workers. Question number 4. Form abstract noun form abstract nouns from the following adjectives and common nouns. So from the given adjectives and common nouns we have to make abstract noun. Angry, arrogance, spelling AGROGANCE, arrogance. Beautiful, beauty. Brave, bravery. Strong, strength. Great, greatness. Neighbor, neighborhood. True, truth. TRUTH, truth. Happy, happiness. Wise, wisdom. WISDOM. Poor, poverty. POVERTY, poverty. Leader, leadership. LEADERSHIP, leadership. Proud, proudy. PROUDY. Kind, kindness. Victor, victory. Patient, patience. PATIENCE, mother, motherhood. Fifth number question. Circle the abstract noun. So the sentence that we are looking here on page number 3, from these sentences we have to circle the abstract noun. The laughter and merriment of the children brought joy to their grandparents. Laughter, merriment and joy, all these are abstract noun. There was peace between two nations. Peace. Education brings you honor and success in life. Honor and success. Envy and hatred are not good qualities. Envy and envy. E. We must learn to fight for justice. Justice is the answer. Now question number 6. Sorry student. Sorry, excuse me. What do they use? Choose the correct tool from the box and fill in the blanks. So as you can see students, from the right hand side we can see a picture is given here. So we have to identify that picture and we have to name that tool. Okay. A carpenter uses a saw. So it is a saw, जिसे आरी बोलते हैं, जिसे बढ़ई यूज़ करते हैं लकड़ी काटने के लिए. saw, SAW. B number question. A gardener uses a spade. SPADE, spade, फावड़ा. A programmer uses a computer. प्रोग्रामर क्या यूज़ करता है? कंप्यूटर यूज़ करता है. A doctor uses a stethoscope. एक चिकित्सक क्या यूज़ करता है? आला यूज़ करता है. ओके. A woodcutter uses an axe. एक लकड़हारा क्या यूज़ करता है? कुल्हाड़ी यूज़ करता है. A baker uses an oven. और एक बेकर जहाँ पे जो बेकरी शॉप होती है जहाँ से आप लोग केक्स वगैरह लाते हैं या फिर ब्राउनीज वगैरह लाते हैं, वो क्या यूज़ करता है? ओवन यूज़ करता है. सो हेयर इज़ द solution of chapter 1. I hope you have understood it. Okay, in next class we will start our second chapter, that is singular and plural. Okay students, that's all for today. Have a nice day and be safe. Good morning standard 5. In our last video we were discussing about the noun chapter, and in this video we are going to solve their exercise. Okay students, so take out your books, all of you take out your books and take out the page number 2. Okay, take out the page number 2. So here is the question: underline the common noun and circle the proper nouns. So what we have to do students, we have to underline